का आयोजन हो रहा है और वहां पर रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह और मां अमृतानंदमयी पहुंचे हुए हैं।
की ओर से अम्मा का स्वागत और सम्मान करें। My humble salutations and pranams to our C20 Chair, Amma, Her Holiness Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, and my greetings, Namaste, Namaskarams, a warm welcome to all the distinguished civil society leaders, our Chief Guest, the Honorable Defence Minister of India, Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, the Honorable State Minister Shakuntala Rawat Ji, and all the eminent personalities from across the world joining us today here and online on this momentous occasion of the inaugural session of the C20 2023 Summit at Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. आप सभी को हार्दिक स्वागत और नमस्कार। जयपुर के इस खूबसूरत शहर में ये C20 का तीसरा और शायद सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सम्मेलन है। More than 700 delegates are participating at this event, including civil society organizations from across the globe, distinguished experts from renowned institutions, and G20 officials. As all of you know, India has the presidency of the G20 this year, and C20 is its platform for civil society organizations to bring forward a broad range of civil society perspectives. नागरिक समाज हम सब के लिए एक मंच है विश्व नेताओं के सामने लोगों की आकांक्षाओं को आवाज देने के लिए। The Government of India has appointed Amma as the chair of the country's Civil 20. भारत सरकार ने अम्मा को C20 के अध्यक्ष के रूप में नियुक्त किया है, and we are honored and blessed to be in her auspicious presence to participate in this inauguration. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji as the G20 chair and the universal guidance of Amma Mata Amritanandamayi Devi as the C20 chair, this is an extraordinary opportunity given to all of us to contribute to the development of civil society for the benefit of the most in need. This summit is the culmination of thousands of discussions, meetings, chowpals, community outreach across 122 countries with participation from over 2 million individuals and thousands of civil society organizations. At this Jaipur C20 summit, the 16 working groups will release and hand over the C20 policy pack and the C20 communique to the G20 Secretariat. Now, on behalf of the C20 Secretariat, the C20 Core Committee, the C20 International Advisory Committee, and the C20 Steering Committee, I would like to request the Honorable Chair, world-renowned humanitarian and spiritual leader, Shri Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, Amma, to lead the dignitaries on stage to grace this ceremony with the lighting of the lamp. हम अम्मा से अनुरोध करते हैं कि वे विशिष्ट अतिथियों के साथ दीप जलाकर इस समारोह का शुभ आरंभ करें। Requesting Honorable Defence Minister Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Minister Shakuntala Rawat Ji, Mr. Shombi Sharp, Ambassador Abhay Thakur Ji, Vinay Sahasrabudhe Ji, and Maaf Suhan Ji to please accompany Amma for this auspicious lighting of the lamp ceremony. We'd also like to request everybody else on the stage to please join the event. Requesting Sri M to please join with the lamp lighting. Sri M ji, please join with the lamp lighting, please.